Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. The mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer A is equal to the mean tire pressure of the car at dealer B. However, while the standard deviation of the tire pressures of the cars at dealer A is 2.5 psi, that is pounds per square inch, the standard deviation of the tire pressure of the cars at dealer B is 1.2 psi. Which of the following statements must be true? Okay, in the given information, we have stuff about the two things. One is the mean and other one is standard deviation. Actually, mean is nothing but one of the measures of center, and standard deviation is one of the measures of spread. Okay, the first information clearly says that is the mean at dealer A and at dealer B are equal. So the mean of the tire pressure of the cars at dealer A is equal to the mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer B. But the standard deviation is different because the standard deviation of the tire pressures of the cars at dealer A is 2.5, but at dealer B is 1.2. So for dealer A, we have more standard deviation. Okay, so we have to keep this stuff in our mind. We have to check the options one by one. Okay, now first let me go over answer choice A. So the mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer A is 1.3 psi less than mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer B. It's absolutely wrong because our answer choice A says that mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer A is 1.3 psi less than. That means the mean at dealer A is not equal to the mean of the tire pressure of the cars at dealer B. So because the first information clearly says the mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer A is equal to the mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer B, but answer choice A says that mean tire pressure at dealer A and dealer B are not equal. That means the mean of the tire pressure at dealer A is less than the mean tire pressure of the cars at dealer B. Okay, now let's go to option B. In option B, we have some information about median tire pressure. Actually, in the given information, we don't have any details about median. So we cannot decide whether the stuff we have in option B is true or false. So we can reject option B also. In option C also was some information about median tire pressure. The same reason what I said for option B, because we don't have any information. Actually, median is also one of the measures of center, but we don't have any details about this measure of spread, that is median, in the given information. Since we don't have any information about the median in the given information, we cannot conclude whether the statement we have an answer choice C is true or false. So we can reject statement C also. Okay, before we go to statement, answer choice D, first let's understand what is standard deviation. So as I said earlier, that standard deviation is one of the measures of spread. Measures of spread means what does it measure in a data? So usually a measure of a spread measures the variation among the values in a data. If the data is more variable, then the measure of particular spread for that particular data will be higher. So the standard deviation is one of the measures of spread. So if there is more standard deviation, then there is the data is more variable. If there is less standard deviation, the data is less variable. So like clearly in the given information, at dealer A, the standard deviation is 2.5. At dealer B, the standard deviation is 1.2. So clearly the standard deviation at dealer A is more than the standard deviation at dealer B. So clearly data in dealer A is more variable than the data. I mean, data means like the tire pressures of the cars. The tire pressures of the cars at dealer A is more variable than the tire pressures of the cars at dealer B. So now let's go with option B. The tire pressures of the cars at dealer A are more variable than the tire pressures of the cars at dealer B. So this is perfectly correct because for dealer A, we have more standard deviation. So clearly the tire pressures of the cars at dealer A must be more variable. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.